how to cancel your Adobe Creative Cloud subscription. So in here, the very first thing that you need to do is simply get into your Adobe application, or you can even get into your adobe.com on the browser version. Simply what you're going to do is make sure that you are logged into your account. Use all of the credentials of your Adobe account in order to log into your account. Then you'll actually be getting into their dashboard, right? So after getting into their dashboard, you'll actually be able to simply see your profile icon on the top right corner. What you're going to do is simply tap on that profile icon. Then from there, you will be able to get into your account settings, right? Then from there, you'll actually be able to see the option of manage plan. What you're going to do is keep on scrolling, and then you'll be able to see the manage plan on the plan you wish to cancel. Simply tap on that manage plan, and then from there, you can simply tap on the option cancel your plan that you'll be able to see. Tap on that one, then from there you can follow all of the on-screen prompt. So you also have to remember that an early termination fees will be added to you if only the annual paid monthly, if you are only in the annual plan monthly. So if you are not on the monthly plan, then you'll not be charged the early termination fees. So you have to know that, right? So after doing that, like I said, follow all of the on-screen prompt, and just like that, you'll be able to simply cancel the Adobe Creative Cloud subscription.